Welcome to Grandma's Craft Channel. Today we are going to be making this loopy bow. I've already got the strips cut up and measured into 18 inches. There's 9 strips. This very cute 9-loop loopy bow is 10 inches wide and it stands 5 inches high. It would look really cute hanging on your door or attach it to a wreath. Right here I am taking my strips and I've already folded them down into 6-inch loops. Here I'm smoothing out my white ribbon and making sure that the loop is still 6 inches. I like to try and move it down to about 6.5 to get a 6-inch loop. Then I scrunched it up and I'm holding them in my left hand. And now I'm doing the same thing with this candy stripe ribbon. I'm going to make sure that it's about 6.5 inches for the loop. I scrunched it up, put it in my left hand. Now I've got my letters for Santa ribbon. I'm just checking to make sure that the loop is still the right size. Scrunched it up. And I've got that in my left hand. And now I'm going to do another white ribbon the same way. Scrunch it up, put it in my hand. And now we have the candy stripe ribbon. It is cut to 18 inches. I've tried making this bow several times. That's why my ribbon is all wrinkled up. The loop needs to be 6 inches. These strips are 18 inches long. Fold it down 6 inches. I've already tried this several times. That's why my strips are cut and wrinkled. But we don't give up. I'm going to get it. So what we have here are 3 letters to Santa, and 3 candy cane stripe ribbons. They were all cut to 18 inches. And then the loop is 6 inches from the top to the middle. Now that I have them all in my hand, I'm going to take my chenille stem and I'm going to go up a little bit. And I'm going to wrap this chenille stem real tight. Now for the fluffing of the bow. We're just going to find the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's almost the middle. And then we're going to take 2 ribbons. The candy cane stripe and the letters to Santa ribbon. And we're going to pull them apart. Now we're going to take the opposite. We're going to take the white ribbon and the candy cane stripe, and we're going to pull them apart this way. Now down here, I'm going to pull apart, then now let me make sure I've got all 9 loops. Sometimes I lose one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now to spread out these tails. And with this bow, you really have got to let this ribbon know who the boss is. So letters for Santa, candy cane stripe, white. So we need a letters for Santa. Over here. So what we'll do is we'll push this one this way. And we'll all right, now after much fighting with the ribbon, I have finally succeeded at the loopy bow. I know every time I do one, it'll get better, but this is the first one that I got it to come out at the end. And you just really have to, I just really had to work with it. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to be notified of when I make some more videos, go ahead and subscribe. I appreciate you stopping by. Have a great day.